Good day, students. Welcome to class. I trust and hope that you're doing very well. Today, we are looking at the topic of the attributes of God. And so, therefore, we may think of many things as it relates to God's attribute. First, we're talking about who God is. And so, therefore, A.W. Tozer notes that what we believe about God is the most important thing about us. It says that the word God is widely used. Various views of God exist, and so some persons see him as a superhuman person or force, a sentimental grandfather above. What is your view about God? And while you ponder on that question, we may think also about the word attribute. It is an essential characteristic of a person or thing. And so when we think about God, we may say that God's characteristics reflect his perfection. God's attributes greatly revealed who he is. There are various attributes of God. For example, we may think about his self-existence. We may also think about his love. As it relates to God's self-existence, note with me, students, that he is self-caused. He is independent of everything else. His self-existence is revealed in the name Jehovah, the existing one. It is also noted in the expression, I am that I am. It is also implied in the eternity of God. And then let us ponder also on God's love. And love is in the air. And it's so great to talk about God who is love himself. And we say that love is not one of the attributes of God, but the summary of his attributes. And this is according to John Gibbon. There are various words or phrases about God's love. For example, we may think of God's universal love, his unconditional love. And most certainly you may think of the golden text, John 3 verse 16, that talks about God's love. I have a video that I'll also like to share with you. It talks about God's love, its attributes, his name. And so therefore, when you get this video, I'll send you the link, right? When you get it, I ask you to note the questions that are included in it that really revealed the many attributes about God. And so, students, I hope that you gained something from today's lesson, and we continue to look at the other attributes of God as we continue for the next 2 or 3 days. Thank you very much, and I trust and hope that you'll keep safe, everyone. Take care, and may God continue to bless you. Thank you.